Well, hello again and welcome to another S-Digital demonstration of some of the solutions we built for our customers. I probably ought to have said good day because today we are looking at MedicAlert Australia's system. MedicAlert Australia are a great company we work with for a few years now who provide jewellery and other devices like alarm systems and so forth to members who subscribe to their system who have specific medical conditions that can be engraved onto the jewellery that they sell. This is obviously very, very helpful for people who may be involved in an accident or unconscious to ensure that really critical medical information is presented to the emergency services when they arrive on the scene. It could be that they have a particular medical condition, or it could be that maybe they have an allergy to a specific medication, and that unless the person saw this information they might actually give the medication on scene, in which case it could cause some significant issues. So let's crack on and look through the site itself. So you can jump into product collections, and product collections provide you a whole range of content managed groupings of products that Australia guys are in charge of. Let's have a quick look at the shop clearance and see what's on offer at the moment. So they can change any of these products, pricing, information, all of the status of whether stock's available is also provided on screen. In this particular case we're just sort of moseying around some of the clearance items, but maybe what we actually want to do is shop for something slightly more specific. So let's dive in and have a look at options around the product range. Here we go. So we're going to be looking at some gold products and specifically bracelets. So I know you notice how, despite the fact that the product range is very large, it's instantaneous in terms of the way the content's presented. And when we arrive we can see that the item's actually in stock, but we can also see that we need to log in or join before we can make a purchase. This is because the medical information is crucial, the information that's engraved upon the jewellery itself. So as a consequence we log into the system. Suddenly we're taken straight back to where we left off, and in a second our data are loaded and we can see that there's a few steps that we need to go through. Step one is to make sure our medical record is correct and it's reordered properly for the engraving itself. So we have 3 specific medical conditions that are already in this logged in account. We try to best fit it, but this item only has a very small tag on it, so therefore we need to think about what we're going to do here. Also we have just unfortunately started contracting asthma, so we need to add that we have mild asthma to our list. Now this is making the problem even worse in terms of trying to fit all of the medical conditions to the tag. So even if we remove the fact that I've had a jaw implant, we can actually see that it still doesn't quite fit. We try to best fit it, but in this case there's nothing the system can do to fit onto such a small band. So actually what we'll do is we'll look to see what other products that MedicAlert might better recommend us, and if we scroll down to the bottom we can see that actually there's a large or a medium bracelet. So maybe we'll go for the large bracelet, and we can see here this one also provides options on chain length. It's a little more expensive. Let's have a look to see what the options are here. So we got a 19-inch chain, which is the standard price, 2375, or we could switch to the 21-inch, which goes up in price because there's obviously more gold. So this system is clever enough to know that certain options will actually increase the price of the product, especially when it's a precious metal like gold. Notice now, however, we can fit all of our medical conditions onto the single bracelet without any issues, and actually there's no need for anybody to review the content because there are no items of my medical conditions that are not included on the band. Had that been the case, then the system would have actually automatically passed this through a nurse review. So here we are at the cart. We can see that actually the system has automatically applied a promotion. The best promotions available is a $9.50 free delivery option. Let's look at our promotion engine in a bit more detail. Now these promotion systems are really capable, so much more than just offering a discount, say between 2 dates. So our customers like MedicAlert Australia have the option really to create promotions around any combination of the following: the size of the basket in terms of its value, the size of the basket in terms of the number of items that are in it, the types of items that are in it, who it is that's actually logged in and making the purchase, or indeed any combination of those things. So indeed MedicAlert Australia can actually create a promotion promotion, say for instance, that'll run in January based on the fact that the items in the basket include a stainless steel bracelet that's of a value greater than $50, provided that the user is logged in, has actually got 4 other items in their basket, including a membership, and that they are, for instance, an army veteran. So any combination of those things is really, really powerful way of creating promotions. But I think probably what's even cleverer is the fact that when the user arrives at the basket, all of the promotions that are currently valid are evaluated against the user and their basket contents, and the one that delivers the best discount is automatically applied. Can't really say fairer than that. Now back to our order. We can see the engraving text is correct, but also we have to add a membership. Again, all of these things are fully content managed by Australia, so they can add whatever they want in terms of pricing or options for membership, and we can see that the breakdown is perfect. We're feeling generous, we'll make a $10 donation, and we actually see that we still need to choose delivery. Now, why is that? Well, we have free delivery on almost all items except gold. Gold items are so valuable that the standard delivery option is not available, so you have to go down a registered or a more expensive route, but the $9.50 promotion is still applied to the whole thing. So there we are, there's the checkout. We've added membership without even thinking about it, we've added a donation, we've managed to fit all the engraving text we need onto the system, and as far as we're concerned, this item is ready for ordering.